Hey future dev, welcome to today's lesson. We're going to learn what Dart is. So let's get started. What is Dart? Dart is a programming language developed by Google in 2013 for the purpose of writing code once and reusing it almost anywhere, which cuts down costs of development teams and also speeds up development time. So what is Dart? Dart is fast, it's type safe, also null safe. It focuses on productivity, and as we already said, it runs almost on any platform. How is Dart so fast? In order to be that fast, Dart uses two types of compilers. One is a JIT compiler and the other is AOT compiler. JIT stands for just in time, which means that during development, Dart is compiling incremental changes, which enables us hot reload and hot restart. And for production build, Dart uses the AOT compiler to build ARM and X architecture machine code. Dart uses static type checking for type safety, which means that you need to define your type before you can use it later on, but it will also try to infer based on the type that you're doing. This basically prevents you from adding a string and a number together. Dart is also null safe, and it uses something called sound null safety, which actually means that all variables that you define are non-null by default, unless you specify that using a question mark besides the variable type. Dart is focused on productivity, and it achieves that by writing code only once that you can run almost anywhere on any platform. And there is also no need for big teams, since you can only have one team that knows Dart instead of having different teams for each platform that you're building for. And also you get faster time to market, which is valuable in today's world because we have a lot of competition. You can deploy Dart code on Android, iOS, macOS, Windows, Linux, web, and Internet of Things devices like Raspberry Pi, Arduino, and much more. Today's lesson will be to go over to Dart's website. You can start up your favorite browser, mine is Safari, and go to google.com. Now you can type in Dart and you should get the Dart programming language website, or just type directly dart.dev. So since we're here, I'm going to click, and you can explore what you can do with Dart. Website is clearly focused on what you can do. You also have here the Dart pad, which we're going to go over in the next lesson. But if you click run, you can see the output of your first Dart code. Please do inspect all the links and familiarize yourself with the Dart web page, since this will be your new home. That's it for today's lesson. See you in the next one.